Hey there! If you ever feel like the month flies by and you're constantly playing catch up, a monthly planner might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how I use a simple visual monthly planner in Google Sheets to organize my tasks, priorities, and important dates, all in one place. And if you want to try this planner yourself, there's a link in the description so you can grab a copy. Let's be honest, life gets chaotic. And when things are only in your head or scattered across sticky notes and random apps, it's easy to forget what really matters. That's why I start each month by doing a quick brain dump. I list everything I need or want to do this month: appointments, deadlines, personal goals, even small errands. Once I've got that out of my head and onto paper, or into a doc, I move everything into the planner. The core of the planner is a calendar view of the entire month. You simply add tasks to the days you want to do them, keeping things in a realistic order. Each task can be assigned a priority level, high, medium, or low, and the planner highlights them with color. So at a glance, you can see which days are packed and which ones give you a little breathing room. For example, let's say on the 7th, I want to review all my VOD subscriptions. Important? Kinda. Urgent? Not really. So I give it a medium priority. And hey, maybe I'll finally cancel that streaming service I forgot I even had. Or maybe I'll keep it just in case I watch that one show someday. Either way, the point is, it's on the plan. Once everything's filled in, the planner becomes a visual map of your month. It shows you where your energy is going, what needs focus, and how balanced or chaotic your schedule looks. And honestly, just filling it out gives me a sense of control, even before I've actually done anything. It's like making little promises to your future self. Now here's where things get really satisfying. Every task in the planner has a checkbox. When you complete it and check it off, the highlight on the calendar disappears. It's a small thing, but it feels like a win every single time. Sometimes I even write down something I've already done, just so I can check it off. No shame, we all need those mini dopamine boosts. And that's how I use the monthly planner in Google Sheets to stay organized and feel less overwhelmed. If you want to give it a try, the link is in the description, totally ready to copy and customize to your style. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're planning to tackle this month? I'd love to hear what you're focusing on. And if this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's also planning their comeback month. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck making this your most organized month yet.